Welcome. Today we are going to look at Biology Paper 3. Answer all the questions in the spaces provided. You are provided with the following reagents and materials: specimen R, Benedict solution, sodium hydride solution, copper sulfate, source of heat, 3 test tubes in a rack, droppers, scalpel, razor, blade, pestle, mortar, filter paper. Study specimen are provided. Identify the type of fruit. With reasons, identify the method of dispersal for the specimen. So this you have to do in a lab. So we won't get into it. The questions that are important here, we're starting with question 2. Study the photographs below and answer the questions that follow. So we have X, we have Y, and we have Z. Question A. 1. By use of a flow chart, show the possible energy flow in the ecosystem above. So we have X goes to Z and then Z to Y. Question A2. State 2 ways in which energy is lost from one tropic level to the new one. Heat energy in breath of animals, urine and feces. Question B. With observable reasons, identify the classes of specimen X and Z. We start with specimen X. We give the class and the reasons, and then we go to specimen Z. We give the class and reason. So let me go back to the picture that you can be understanding as we're talking. Specimen X is motocidum. Reasons: there is parallel venation in leaves, there is presence of leaf sheath. Specimen Z is class Mammalia. The reason is because there is presence of mammary glands and presence of fur. You can see the Y because now we are talking about the Y. Describe 2 adaptations of organism Y. We have large, long-curved, sharp canine to pierce the prey or to kill the prey. It is also camouflaged well in environment to hide from the prey. We go to question D. Study the photograph below and answer the questions that follow. Which part of the plant is represented by the cross section shown above? The root. Question 2. Part 2. Give 2 observable reasons for your answer in D1 above. It's because of presence of root hairs. Xylem forms a star shape, and phloem also is found between the two rays of the star. Question 3. Give one adaptation of the part labeled T. Long to provide a large surface area for absorption of water and mineral salts, as numerous mitochondria to supply energy for active transportation, has thin cell wall for rapid movement of materials, has large cell vacuole to restore absorbed water and mineral salts, has cell vacuole containing high solute concentration to maintain high osmotic pressure to absorb water. Question 3. Study the photographs below and answer the questions that follow. So F, G, J, H. Identify the following parts, F and G. F is a liver and G is the gallbladder. Identify the secretion stored in part labeled G. G is the gallbladder, so the secretions that are stored there are the bile, or you can just say bile salts. Give two functions of secretions you have identified in B1 above. The functions of bile salts is emulsification, that is breaking fats into tiny droplets. We have provides alkaline medium for working of digestive enzymes, neutralize the acidic chyme from the stomach. Give two major roles of the part labeled G. Major roles of this part labeled G is secretion of hormones, secretion of digestive juices. State the hormone secreted by the part labeled H. This is the part that is labeled H. The hormone is clocytokinin. Study question E. Study the photograph below and answer the questions that follow. We have parts M, we have K, and we have L. Identify the following parts, K and L. K is the lung. We have the lung, or you can say the left lung. And then L is the diaphragm. Part 2, give two adaptations of the part labeled M. M, this is M. It has rings of cartilage to prevent collapse of the trachea during exertion. It enables the tubes to be stretched, for example, during coughing. The hollow to allow passage of air. It has mucus secreting cells that trap and filter microorganisms and dust particles, preventing them from entering the lungs. Is lined with cilia which waft mucus upwards into the funnel. Endothelium is moist to moisten the inhaled air. Did you understand? Kindly let me know in the comment section below. Also, let me know what video I can look at tomorrow. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.